Right now, sir, what is your citizenship, sir, right now?
Filipino.
Filipino. Sir, kailan kayo naging American citizen, sir?
Yeah. Back in 86 or
86.
88, I'm not sure.
Until when, sir?
Until I renounce it.
Itong 2022 lang, sir.
Sir, pero somehow, convinced na sila doon sa national level. Totally out of the picture na yun, sir. Sa level.
Pinag-uusapan pa nila. Kasi yung tinatawag na moral turpitude and all those. Pero ang sinasabi ng ilang congressmen, so they have to tackle it. Yata they will have to ask for the opinion of the DOJ or OSD. Kasi sinasabi na, pero sinasabi naman ng ibang miyembro, para sa elected lang ito. Appointed naman siya, hindi siya elected. So, it should not apply to him. Pero sabi ng iba, even though, kasi wala tayong problem. So that's another reason.
Sir, how does it
Nakita ko na when they asked me about the citizenship and then sumunod ka agad yung libel. Yung sinasabi niyang 4 na conviction ay yung 4 counts, not for
for
conviction.
cases, not for cases. How does it
4 counts yun.
Sir, how does it